Do you ever stop mid-sentence wondering, should I use it or there? You're not alone. This tiny confusion causes big mistakes in English. In this video, I'll show you the real difference between it and there, using simple tricks and everyday examples, so you never get confused again. So when do we use there? When we talk about something for the first time and want to say that it exists, we use there. Let us also discuss some example sentences. 1. There is a new mall in Model Town. 2. I got late for work today. There was a lot of traffic. 3. Things are much more expensive now. There has been a big rise in the cost of living. The next question is, when do we use it? We use it to talk about a particular thing, place, fact, or situation. Some example sentences with it are: 1. We went to the new mall. It's very good. 2. Was the traffic bad? Yes, it was terrible. 3. I wasn't expecting them to lose the match. It was a shock to me. Now let us compare there and it in this example sentence. 1. I don't like this park. There is nothing to do there. It's a boring place. When we talked about the park for the first time, we used there. But the second time, we used it. 2. When we reached the hospital, there were already a lot of patients there. 3. He looked worried. There must be a reason behind it. 4. There will be a lot of mosquitoes in the park. We also use it to talk about distance, time, and weather. Some example sentences are: 1. It is a long way from here to the bank. 2. What day is it today? 3. It was cloudy. So remember, it talks about something specific, and there tells us that something exists. Keep practicing and English will get easier every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe English Vedas.